Adding algebraic terms. Simplify 5x plus 3y plus 7x plus 2x plus y. When we're looking at algebraic terms, rather than just saying adding them together, we can't come up with one final answer because we don't know the value of the x and the y. So usually the question is said to simplify. We need to look and to see if we can find any like terms. So are any of these terms like each other? We have a 5x, we also have a plus a 7x and plus a 2x. Those terms are all like each other, so they can be combined together. And then we have a plus 3y and a plus a y. Let's start gathering them together. We have a 5x plus a 7x plus a 2x. It's sometimes easier to put them in the bracket just so that we can see that they are all together. And then we've got a 3y plus a y. We're now in a situation to simplify. 5x plus 7x makes 12x. 12x plus 2x makes 14x. Plus 3y plus y. We have a single y here. That actually is a 1y. If we just have a single y, we don't often write the 1, but we can put it in here just to remind ourselves. So that 3y plus 1y makes 4y. This cannot be simplified any further because x's are not like y's, so therefore they cannot be combined together. Notice that it has been simplified because originally the algebraic expression had 5 terms and now it has 2 terms, so therefore it has been simplified to 14x plus 4y.